So let me welcome Ruchi and Anant Narayan. So it's not about Jhagda. Did this F&B happen by chance?
In life, some accidents, some incidents happen.
Probably F&B was the last thing
Last
I
thing.
would have thought of. So we don't focus only on food or cuisine.
Yes.
You know, we focus on a culture. We have built a culture.
नहीं हम फिर हमको आके माँ तो डांटेगी मैंने बोला माँ नहीं वो तो हम सबकी माँ है
So पूरा building का light was gone for 3 hours. But
On
you
a
know,
Saturday.
luckily,
My God.
घर में क्या है मैं नहीं बोलूंगा.
Okay, so Anant, I had another thing in my mind, like seeing the success of Just BLR, and as I always say, Touchwood, may it grow from leaps and bounds. But do you have any expansion plans in your mind with the Just BLR or with whatever you have in your mind? I mean, I don't know. So
Maybe 2-3 answers to one question.
yes, sure.
See, I've seen F&B industry, the diggage of F&B industry people, left, right, center, they expand.
Right.
At one point, I was running 8-9 outlets. Half of them were losing money, half of them were earning money. It is one junoon that they don't stop.
Yeah.
So after 26 years and 34 outlets, we both decided to stop expansion in 2017 or 18,
Okay.
I think around COVID time. Yeah.
little prior to COVID. So mindless expansion is of no use,
True.
which many are doing. I have also gone through that cycle.
Right.
It's you have to. F&B is a vast field.
Yeah, it's a massive.
What works in Kamanali wouldn't work in Bomanali.
True.
Each time,
Yeah, I like
Each-
that rhyming.
each time it's a different thing. 1 + 2 is never 3 here. So, what we realized, there are some fundamentals which we have to get hold on. Till then, we wouldn't expand. So, last 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, like I was talking about machines, bots, we believe in front end, they'll say. Back end, it's bot say.
Okay.
So the combination of these two have given consistency in food, liquor, service. That whole experience is becoming more consistent now. Now we are ready. To be honest, don't know how much Indian F&B is ready. Again, they'll say heart and soul is in India. We want to start expansion here. We're looking at in Dubai, we're looking at parts of Europe, working on multiple now. Like Just BLR, we want it to be Just Dubai.
Yeah,
We want it to be next one, Just Goa. We're looking at multiple.
Wishing you all the best, and I'm sure all your
Thank you.
desires and visions and missions and expansion plans just come true.
Amen to
and
that.
don't
Thank
forget
you.
me that time, okay? I'm going to be at every Just. That time it has a Just Snigs.
Yeah,
Only me.
just next.
Just Snigs. क्या नाम बनाया? You're
And
very
they'll say, home team, you are always.
honored. And as you were talking about the bot, so this is what another thing that was going on in my mind.
Okay.
Now you see, there's this experiential dining that is very in thing. Jahan jao, people don't talk about just food anymore.
Correct.
They talk about the experience that you're having. So in this experiential dining, as you use bots in your place, how do you think they are going to attribute or contribute to this experiential dining to the customers? Matlab,
A very good question. There are two aspects to this. One, your food, your liquid, your service. This has to be good and consistent. No second word about it.
right.
You have huge chandeliers,
Yeah.
30 lakhs, 40 lakhs. You have 20 lakhs worth of waterfall.
Right.
You have a big water body with 30 fishes. Go to a restaurant, will you look at the fish?
Yeah.
Who asked?
Actually, yeah,
No.
correct.
what makes you feel nice.
Just one Instagram picture and you're done with
Done,
it.
na?
And I'm also saying these are some prerequisites. I'm not saying no.
Yeah.
Yes.
Post that
Add
what?
value.
Yeah. Yes.
Thanda hua? Thanda hua?
Exactly. अगर वो
Happiness,
नहीं मिला,
has it come
yeah,
from inside?
No matter how luxurious
Yeah.
the place may look, but if you're not happy with the food and the experience,
Yes.
everything
You know,
falls flat.
Absolutely.
It's like घर घर जैसा लगना चाहिए. वैसे
हाँ. चाहे आप
restaurant
बाहर
में
भी
आप
जा
जा
रहे
रहे हो
हो,
तो
हाँ,
खाना अच्छा होना
खाना
चाहिए,
अच्छा
same होना चाहिए.
Experience तो बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. Yeah, are you
Why?
happy being there for hours together?
Yeah.
That solid, liquid, service. The combination experience should be consistent and should be excellent. Now, coming back to this question.
The
Bots.
robot. Yeah, the bots. How
Precisely, I spoke about this to talk about these three experiences.
Okay.
अभी आप खाना हो,
हाँ.
आपका एक लॉन्ग आइलैंड आइस टी हो, या आपका कोई फेवरेट वेटर हो,
हाँ.
how do you ensure they're consistent every time they do the same? नहीं होगा ना? It keeps changing.
Actually, yeah.
So from entry till the exit,
हाँ.
maybe I'll describe a small situation of what is already almost there, a little more is being added to it. The moment you enter Just BLR, the face recognition camera recognizes RJ superstar Snigdha. Seriously,
Okay.
it will
Who
open
would
the
like
gates.
I know.
Who wouldn't like it?
It will open the gates.
Wow.
Then on a big screen, you will be welcomed.
Wow.
Chat GPT, it will translate and put on Bengali. Snigdha, you're welcomed. I don't know Bengali. It will come there.
Ah,
So you feel nice coming in.
wow.
The moment you come, there is AI analysis of your data, which goes to the waiter.
So my
She-
likes, dislikes.
She knows your table. She knows your,
Ma'am,
you
you
like
want-
pizza,
you want,
you like
lemon
this
water.
mocktail.
Ah, bitter
Yes.
nimbu pani with the mint and
With the
only
mint.
You don't have to
Oh,
repeat.
yes.
And the moment you go inside, they wouldn't say, hello, miss. Hello, how are you? No. Miss Snigdha, how are you? Have a great day. Wouldn't you feel nice when you hear your name?
That is true, yeah.
So these are the experience.
Personal.
Yeah.
Ah.
Maybe
But-
the same waiter is not there, but
Yeah.
the other one, yeah, you will be like, how he named.
The moment the gates open, the moment they know which table you are going, on their dashboard, on the phone, on the pad, they know that Snigdha is coming. This table she likes, this drink she likes, this drink, the way Himbu has to be more or salt has to be more, it has to be cold, it has to be warm.
Wow.
So the first step, you already are wow. Any number of waiters change, you'll get the same experience because it's a machine giving the AI data.
ये कब से कर रहे हैं आप? When are you up
I-
with it?
Kotaichi launch, all this will be functional.
Yeah.
In fact, the next
I mean, he's really working hard for it. I mean,
Yeah.
I can see him
Yeah.
working
This is one
late
part.
nights and all that.
this is one part. आप बैठे, then you order something. You don't know when what is coming. You also would like to know कहाँ मेरा dish क्या बन
Right,
रहा है.
I-
In between
Yeah.
your banter, you would
Yeah.
like to know.
Yeah.
कभी आधा घंटा हो गया, कभी 1 घंटा हो गया, कभी 2 मिनट में आ गया. The moment you place order on your mobile, you see the bots churning in the kitchen, the bots churning in the bar on your mobile live. Start हुआ है, mid process में है. You will see the bots preparing dishes.
This is technology at another level. Oh my God.
And after that, the bot, there is a robotic train, there is a bot, I think that bot you saw which came to your
Yes, the
table.
one that I saw.
This, see, we are clear. In F&B industry, they'll say, and that human touch you can't replace.
Absolutely.
Back end can be robotics.
Right.
So the moment the bots come to serve, they don't serve directly. It's again the best of human touch serving you.
Yeah.
अभी आप समझो एक वेटरेस है, उसको ग्लास लेके आओ, उसको प्लेट लेके आओ, उसको डिश लेके आओ, उसको क्लीन करो, हर एफिशिएंसी कम्स डाउन. अभी once this ecosystem is ready, we'll be putting her on a chair and placing her next to you.
Yeah.
Her job is to, the moment you look
Serve
at her, she'll come and help you. Because bots will do her 90% job.
Work.
So her efficiency goes up.
Goes up.
Her happiness goes up.
Goes up. Yes.
And she need not stand for 8 hours.
yeah.
She'll sit, serve happily, and look after you well.
Amazing. I'm so looking forward to all of this experience.
Yeah, so looking
Wow.
forward to implement.
Hoga sab, God
And
willing,
with
everything
this-
will happen. This is amazing.
There are many more. I don't know where to stop, where to put a comma.
I know.
One more last gadget at the exit. See, in my 26 years, I've seen plenty of friends have had accidents drunk driving.
Or
Two
get
of
caught
my
by the
Cops.
And
3
then
hours
you
in the
call,
court.
Anand, we are stuck. Do you know any police guy who can
Oh,
save
gosh.
us? And he'll be like, oh God, now then he'll start calling.
And there have been plenty of fatal accidents too.
Yes.
So what we have done, using the entry gate system, we have linked it to a breath analyzer.
Okay.
The breath analyzer is linked to Uber, Pink Taxi, or a valet driver.
Okay.
The moment you are going out,
Yeah.
you feel you're a little high.
Yeah.
You sniff.
Yeah.
The gates don't open if you're above alcohol level. You have a choice of calling Uber, Pink Taxi, or valet driver.
I love this.
Actually.
I love this.
It is so
It's
useful.
very
So
thoughtful.
useful.
Very thoughtful. You know, people might say that it's controlled, but I think this is the need of the hour.
Absolutely.
When people are not responsible,
Correct.
I think somebody has to take control of it, right? And
Sometimes
what
you
better
do
way?
you do things for the good, which is
Right,
very good.
and- yeah.
It's not about just making money in a
That's
bar.
exactly, yeah, this is,
It's being
this is a
ethical.
good- yes.
Yes, it's
yes,
being
this control is very
responsible.
ethical. Yeah. And it will actually put a lot of things in place too.
In fact, Uber, Budweiser probably will get the transport minister or the local MLA. We are launching this at JSPLR, which is the first prototype in India.
Wow.
Good. Okay, so now also wanted to know. See, I mean, when we talk about competition, I mean, there's no business which doesn't have competitors. And let's say without competition, जैसे बोलते हैं ना healthy competition,
Yeah.
ये होना बहुत जरूरी भी है.
बहुत
In
ज़रूरी.
any
Correct.
business that
When
you
you
do,
don't
or
know,
you
unless
You
that,
become
you're the best.
complacent.
Yeah.
You just don't know what is
Exactly.
what we
Absolutely.
need to do, because there's no comparison study, right?
Correct.
So, ऐसे if I have to think about, you know, so many other bars and lounges are around, and in Bangalore, I think we've come to know as the pub city. Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, इसको तो pub city बना ही दिया है इंडिया में. So tech city, एक green
Pub
city,
capital.
green garden city से वो पहले tech बना,
Tech
उसके बाद
बना,
अभी
तो
pub
pub
बन गया.
बन
हाँ.
गया.
हाँ. Because every nook and corner there is
Correct.
one. Let's not talk about the standard, but we are saying
Correct.
है, you know. So here, coming to the competition, when you know there's no dearth of these things around or these
Correct.
places around, what is that signature that you have, the USP that you have to stand out, and you know, एक अलग हटके आप ऐसा कुछ एक point आप बताइए और एक point आप बताइए, because after that I'm going to move into something very funny. Yeah?
ठीक है, मैं
So,
जल्दी 2 पॉइंट बताऊंगा.
हाँ, अब इसका point भी आप ही बता दो.
he has always more to say.
What to say? हाँ.
मेरा बच्चा
पहली बार
है.
देख रही हूँ,
इसका
Gemini
कोक
चुप
में
है.
एक बच्चा आया. मेरा
पहली
कोक में 34 children have come, so I have a lot to
You
speak
have a
about
lot to
them.
say. ये Gemini को पहली बार चुप बैठते देखना बहुत मुश्किल है वैसे. But next to Sagittarians, आते
Yeah,
हैं.
yeah. When a Saji is speaking,
Thinking
Gemini
Gemini
should keep
rather.
quiet, rather.
ठीक है, 2 चीज when it comes to competition. 20 साल से हम ब्रिगेड रोड में बिल्डिंग में है.
Correct.
हम थे, हम है, हम रहे.
This is a very, I should use the Bengali this thing here. All to the viewers who are all wrong, they'll say Prabhashi, you know, chol na, जो बैठ जाते हैं वही बैठ जाते हैं. They will not move. So which is,
It's
but
not-
with all ethical things and with all good things,
Correct.
with all
Yeah.
It's
positive
not
things,
arrogance.
you're there to stay.
First, God's been kind.
Absolutely.
Second, which I said I'll speak about, we always have been pro customers. In fact, every briefing we tell our waiters, our managers, or the whole team, first God is customer.
That is true.
You don't see God there. There is God somewhere.
Huh.
But God comes in a form
Form
to feed you.
Food you.
That is the customer.
Yeah.
So we strive, we try to be a better version of what we were yesterday, today.
Yeah.
And tomorrow, what we are today, we wouldn't want to be tomorrow.
Absolutely.
So we strive towards giving that superb service to the customer, which probably is
Is
our
your signature.
yes.
And do you have
Which
anything
many haven't
else
caught
to
up.
say? कि
So, according to me, Just BLR has, as I said, made a community,
Yes.
And Bangalore, being a cosmopolitan city,
Totally. Yeah.
there are people. How will they mingle? How will they connect? I think it's through food,
Yeah.
it's through music,
Yeah.
it's through laughter,
Huh.
it's through friendships. And
You have
we
it all.
have given them everything.
Everything.
There's music, there is
Yes.
comedy, there is food, there are
There's
drinks.
nightclub.
I have seen people sitting on that table and this table, they're connecting through one song.
Yeah.
एक दोस्ती का गाना
गाना
लगा
तो
दो,
वो स-
and वो ये दोस्ती हम नहीं छोड़ेंगे, that is singing, they're singing and they're doing high five, and then next day they're coming together.
Together.
How
Like
amazing.
strangers becoming friends.
Yeah.
I think we have created that
Yeah.
vibe.
ये तो
Again,
और किसी के पास नहीं, ये तो मैं भी बोलती हूँ. Yeah.
बिल्कुल. और
That I know, yeah.
new artists को हमने we've always
Given them a platform.
encouraged, whether it's a comedy artist or a singer or whoever. So yes, it's a cult, and I know we are doing something really nice for the society, and so that's why we are different. And I think we are the only place, only pub in Bangalore who is having live singing
मैं
all
यही बोलने
days,
वाली थी कि I
Monday
have
to
not seen.
Sunday.
Yeah, I have not. Other places एक दिन कभी हो गया.
Yeah.
कुछ
Even
karaoke हो
comedy,
गया.
we are running all 7 days. There's no other place who's running comedy all 7 days.
I think last year we crossed 500 shows in a
Yes.
year. It's not one show a
Wow.
day, multiple shows.
Only place
That's
in Bangalore.
massive.
Yeah.
Amazing.
And मजाक की बात नहीं, it's not
No, no,
masti,
it's
it's a big
absolutely no.
responsibility.
It is a
you
very
know.
big
And
responsibility.
behind us, our team is doing it, right?
Yeah.
So they are the backbone of this
Yeah,
company.
agree. But then, of course,
We
it all
might
goes
be
back
running
to
the show.
who leads. I
Yeah.
always feel जो भी हो leader. See, one is एक होता है leader जो अपने आप को boss समझता है, और एक होता है leader who leads by example. You guys have been that. You're leading by example, and people are just following you suit without having a single hesitation. उनको पता है कि ये सही रास्ता है, So that's something, and wishing you all the best. But before we close, I have a rapid fire. Are you ready for the rapid fire round?
Okay.
Yeah? हाँ. You're not getting any robot or machine to shoot. हाँ? अभी shoot मतलब यहाँ से shoot, ठीक है?
घर में शूटिंग बहुत होता है, चलेगा.
चलो
नहीं आया
देखते
तो चलेगा.
चलो
औरतें
I
तो
know चलता है.
बदनाम है.
औरतें बदनाम है, और जिसको आता है वो आंसर दे सकता है. But this is something probably both of you will have to tell me.
हाँ.
So, okay, tell me one cocktail or mocktail that describes your personality.
Oh, me?
बोलो बोलो बोलो.
Okay,
आप बोलो, आप भी बोलो, उसमें क्या है?
Okay. From Just BLR?
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. ये तो रैपिड फायर को लंबा फायर बना रही है. बोल बोल बोल, फट से बोलना है.
रशिया यूक्रेन वॉर हो रहा है.
Your personality.
Okay, so twin tonic. It's gin and tonic with double flavor. Being
That's
a
you,
Gemini.
Gemini.
देखो लगा लिया.
Playful, versatile, and must.
Very good. And what about you, Anand?
Not a cocktail.
Okay.
Maybe I'm a beer.
हाँ.
Sometimes too over frothy.
Okay. Okay.
Sometimes flat.
Okay, we are heading somewhere. Okay. All right. Now, this is to you,
Okay.
Ruchi. If Just BLR Group was a Bollywood movie, what would the movie be called?
Okay.
The entire BLR Group. You being
Okay,
the mother, don't forget.
I would say, see, Hrithik Roshan being my favorite. I would say Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara.
Wow.
And Just Bangalore edition.
Oh, loved it. क्या मस्त है यार. Okay.
Maybe add करूँ.
हाँ करो. अब बोलना है बोलो.
3 robots.
Not 3 idiots.
Just 3, no, 300 robots.
Yeah. 300 robots in 3 sections. Food, liquor, service.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah,
actually.
yeah. Okay, this one, I don't know who deals with the guests there
I
more.
know,
Okay, then this is for you. What is the craziest guest request you have ever got?
Okay. So we were discussing this other day. So there's a machine which, makes put your face on a cocktail.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Right.
have you seen
I
that?
have seen that, yeah.
So this guest was a bit drunk, and I think recent breakup hua tha. So he wanted his girlfriend's face on the
Cocktail.
cocktail, and he wanted to
Smash
smash it
and
like
drink
a
it.
Bollywood movie. He really wanted to do that. I said, अगर आप करोगे फिर सब करेंगे.
Oh my
Sorry, otherwise
God.
I would have accepted that request, but I
This
didn't
is
wa-
crazy.
Yeah, I didn't want to create a scene.
I didn't expect this crazy answer also. सच्ची में.
So ऐसे बहुत
ऐसा.
सारे. So this is one
The
which
crazy.
stayed with us.
बस,
Yeah.
हाँ. Okay, great. Um, coming from the F&B, I mean, he's been there for the longest
Yeah,
time.
yeah.
So, is there one food that you can't live without? Let him.
Beer and biryani, so I call it biryani is my favorite.
बिरयानी वाह बीर रानी अच्छा वाह एक अच्छा ही नाम भी निकाल देंगे बीर रानी बोल दो next time. Okay, so this is a question which I want both of you to answer at the same time. ठीक है? Who is stricter at work? Anant or
Of
Ruchi?
course, him.
He's accepted it. He's accepted it.
I'm
One
the
has
bad
to
cop,
play
she is
a
the
bad
good cop there.
and a good cop. So
Oh.
bad cop, good cop, just to make have
Balance
the
things.
discipline.
Balance
things.
Balance the things. and-
Awesome. And that's a great combination.
Yeah.
This one is for you.
Oh.
If you weren't in F&B, what you would be doing? What would you be doing?
I would be in Tesla. I would be Elon's.
Robotic engineer.
I would be Elon's partner
Ah,
or brother or some stepson or some stepmother
पर
something.
कुछ तो उधर अच्छा ठीक है. Then I'll add ना मुझे बोला but then I will be Anand's inseparable friend.
Yeah.
अगर वहाँ आप होते तो मैं भी
Correct.
है ना ये
Both net worth would be few zillions.
Absolutely. Okay. Now, this one, Ruchi, I think I will ask you.
Okay.
Your guilty pleasure song that always gets you dancing. Because you dance, I know. Like,
I can't name one. I think all those party Bollywood songs, those are my guilty pleasure. You play them and I will start off.
कुछ जरूरत नहीं होती है.
अभी
No reason
recent
at all.
वाला तो वही चल रहा है मेरा ठुमक ठुमक.
ठीक है, so we get you there. So this could be for both of you. You can say that. Any particular dream celebrity that you would like to host at Just BLR? मुझे छोड़ के.
अरे यार वही नाम आ रहा था मेरे मन में और मेरे जीप पे.
मैं स्मार्ट तुम सवा से
I
थे
know.
तो सवा से हाँ. Is there anybody that you would like to host at Just BLR? Any celebrity that you can?
Any day Hrithik Roshan.
है ना? फिर तो I have to share यार. मुश्किल हो गया. Same choice हो गई ये तो. This is the last one. And this is going to be nice because you have to get a little creative here.
Okay.
Oh,
So describe Just BLR in just 3 words. And both of you have to give me different answers.
just BLR in 3 words.
Just 3 words.
You starting?
Okay. Probably I'll expand the BLR.
Okay.
Buzzing.
Hmm?
Always buzzing. You know the
Awesome.
vibe. L is the laughter and love. And R is the rhythm and the music.
Wow.
So
Oh, shit. अभी मुझे पता नहीं इससे ज़्यादा points आप लोगे क्या? आप बोलो.
it just came to my mind.
Wow,
Wow.
too good, yeah.
बीवी जीते
Thank you.
वही उसी में हस्बैंड
में
जीतने की खुशी है.
आपको बोलना पड़ेगा 3 words for Just BLR.
If I break down, B would be my bots.
Oh.
L would be a lot of laughter.
Yes.
No second word about it.
Lol.
L,
Loads of laughter.
R would be what I am doing for the
Ruchi.
past 26 years.
Ruchi.
देखो,
बोलने तो दे यार रुचि यार.
it includes you also.
He's playing safe again.
A repeat of all that I have done in my life till now in F&B, including Ruchi.
Awesome. Yeah, I loved it. I loved it. There was so much of energy And I felt so good, especially on a
Thank you
special
so
day
much.
like this.
Thank you.
For me, this is making it so much more special. And I would, before I end, I really don't say end, it's just the
Yeah,
beginning.
yes,
it's
of
just
course,
the
it's the
beginning.
beginning.
Yeah. But you know what? My heartfelt gratitude to support me and be an associate with me with my dream project. And Ruchi, this is something at the end. Of course, my daughter was the one who started. You were the one who pushed it at the
Pushed
end, and I
it.
said, I have to
You
do it
know,
now.
person
Two
like
favorite human beings on
you
earth for me.
who is such a good speaker. You've been given
Yeah.
a gift of gab.
Correct.
I mean, you can speak so well, so beautifully, anywhere, any point of time.
Yeah, so I thought,
Given
yeah.
a chance, and why you should not start a podcast, I was wondering. So I just had to push you.
So there we are. We started, and what
I'm
happiness
so
for
glad
me
you started
that
with
we are
us.
associated with Just BLR, and something very different. We're going to get more and more. Is just the beginning. So yes,
Absolutely.
thank you so much, everyone, for watching us. And
Ending.
there's so much more to come in.
Ending line. There are so many famous podcasters,
Huh.
starting with R.
Acha.
I wouldn't want to name them.
Okay.
You will mark my words.
Oh, I
From
know
this
where
birth-
Oh,
Today?
I know what you're saying.
RJ Snigdha will be India's number one.
Kya
You'll
baat hai,
overtake
wo
all the
bhi
R's who
shankar.
are the best in podcast industry in India now.
No.
That's a very big thing for me, but I'm
Absolutely.
honored.
From my heart,
honored.
I'm into
All
that.
in
Yeah.
Thank
And
you
I'm
so
sure.
much.
Yes.
And let's just
You
keep
have
our fingers
everything
crossed. Beginning
what
to
takes to be
beginning
that.
hai, but we have to take it to that level. And
You
with-
will.
about
with
journey.
Just BLR, with me, supporting me in my endeavor, I'm sure
Your
I
family.
will
Your
achieve
family.
it. Thank
You
you so
will.
much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Again.
Lovely,
Thank you.
Love you.
lovely
Thank
having
you.
you over.
Wonderful,
Thank you
wonderful.
so much. Chalo, bye-bye.